别来啥个子都去最工作，就当你也不是你说个两周了。北京1.57，我工作你明白？俺那工作去就不是的上去，光给看都买不起，光给看都买不起，你工作去就不是的上去。谢谢你3天弄嘛，这个超级好闻，我天天喷。哎，我那着的话是不是真的很好闻？而且是不是留香很持久？牛逼！我那咋个吃嘛？顶个脱掉我不呀？抵着大入坑前个，那吃行不行呗？香奈儿的，对，我真的就是不已经觉得不好闻了。地位讲俺从多地嘛的，俺从多中性香水搞不吧？啊，你看起来瓶子你就有原来什么白的或者这。多么人工整的，就是太甜了，太简单，就是感觉你就是这个就是这样子没了。我再说起，西藏能发货了吗？姐姐啥？什么西藏能发货了吗？来完了，香水重新退是啥？它没了，它做不的，刚进不去没？刚进不去，来啥？刚进不去差不多。我听见国内是了过的没戏，但有嘛的，甜香的吗？啥？不是甜香，就我这几面都没有甜，就唯一一个甜香是那个开里给吃不起没呗，而且那个也不是那种甜，那花木那嘛大，不是那种花和糖果的那种甜，滴，你吃么的滴点啥？我那或者开里见到你就念是中没呗，你闹完了，你看这slow的，什么你看这slow的吧？奶油。很高级的那种甜，很高级的甜品的那种甜 ，yes， 低后调的什么甜难度？我的这个是纯女生，但得不干净。我的当然性别差不多中性，不大我们唱不出来语不起，但是这个只限女生。我的，你不是卖香水的吗？我不是啊。谁说我是卖香水的？直接粉底液几号色？你看去啊弟弟的222C。就是自然色系，大红珠，大白色，大年底那的是那么多。多久都记了，他那暗恋歌没呗？暗恋歌我就可是广大七六七路算，广大可是现在打定位的快983定他做水嘛，他就是后面就叫我去了嘛，请差不多当下片都是我比较对吧？就是写点我呢念不写啊录的嘞，但开始我转场去请嘛嘞，刚来第一次卡中啊，第一广大的帽子跟我信不的，转场去，刚来第一次卡中啊，这是对吧你。米性别、普性别是你咋来？是啦，让人家啦，先吃别是啦，莫好了吧？都好多你偏那都，吃米中的，俺吃别个先不得是那么多话，你知道莫好了吧？这是啊，让人家让送到嘛是，你老公都用不了。这是啦咪，当俺控制桌子没，控制 VIP 桌子把子是多啊，俺桌子水得冷没呗，水得去哪的吧？你知道吧？俺桌不你们都用没是吧？但掐子或者铺给骨子你知道没？你们都，你那婆母有的呀，婆母送西子学的，他们是吧？你俺老公都用，但他应该知道吧？他应该知道就是他这里面其中一个男的就是是我的好朋友吧？他至少是一个男的是我的好朋友吧，或者是一个女的是我的好朋友吧？可能拿钱嘛，他们去姐那怎么让 Instagram 限制这什么嘞？得孙中啊，这里那个呀，他这把要求巨大生么？他就是离不离是我的事情嘛嘞？那暗恋哥哥的通说啊，或者吃醋或者几钱数。俺可吃醋就多么讲，俺喊生没呗啊？就是我们两个又不在一起，就是你这个醋的醋意到底在哪儿生呗？我今天想跟你，我那会儿给信息差写哪没呗？没让你身边让我那会儿就没当俺没让身边让别的或者偷写哪其他对不对？开车写哪的，对，就是宝贝说的这真没呗？就是我就加了一个人的 Instagram， 而且这不是加，这是你要关注我，然后你要跟我说话，我想理才能理，但抖音哪才理？但对没？就是我是一个公开的账号，然后你要跟我说，我如果想理我就可以理，然后我不想理我就可以不理，对没？对没？俺没让我那出错什么多或者比如说啥，让他去了噻，你让他给他让mi Instagram 加起来还是啥？就是微信那些加表码大，可是微信是你自己私人的账号，你要加别人，然后就是跟你们俩直接说话。 是吧？Instagram 呢，就是你要有粉丝，微信呢粉丝咱就没吧，微信 Instagram 它就是有粉丝，然后就是有一堆人在看你发什么事，你在说什么嘞？你Instagram家吧好多人，对吧？那啥，你让他给咱们中的啥，让给你对或者不行别人这个 Instagram 加的，然后就是你看到了以后为啥对不对？以后为啥嘞？为何意思？可是我这。他是不是觉得就算不是他的也不能是别人的？我不知道他是怎么想的。看戏，看你上不让给俺搞多余啥的人嘛呗？生不呗？俺那我们这搞有的3岁生不嘞？搞有那搞有多少点那啦？要么打把话，要么呢俺那么多电影出给几千，你电影都呢你那个吧？但别想呢，如果他正式的跟我表白的话的。这冷那的，我让你们都带你出去冷那，我你们都带个什么冷那？你那是啦，让你谈的搞到个去这地方lämna då是个吧咪？你冷差不啦？没让个那俺就当我多俺冷的，你就当我是个吧？你让你这个都比个这个都的这个都开始让第个这呢？那你搞到这样的事，你谁不冷不吧咪？他也没有这样子，我不知道他在干嘛。何以为我？你也还是啥？哦。我的，俺生没呗，让看亲吧生没呗，地广大的恐龙好嘞，就是还好嘛的，然后恐龙这么大，俺亚马起来龙这么大，可俺这生没呗，你让他给当做，但是都米一算看起来就有，三这生没呗，你那边他这看多了呗，然后我的一算不是我的，那你私人账号这的嘞。你就不会说，哎，你要一直能骚扰我，没有。你如果给我发了一条信息，如果我没回的话，你就是发表，就是私信说什么呀？我得说这里，别看我嘞，你光俺给现在你没也没心投入，哇，别你找好亲妹没让皮给不入了，这铺的心穷了，生没呗？或者不是心穷了，是他真的很喜欢我吧？我不知道。这两天谁给我那块的底线呢？都是，俺来那路，来谁给那么就能看得着了，好嘞。我那开始，看住我的刚才看书上啊，但我光打来你个那么什么就可没呗。开始说新个每个这垃圾，新个鱼多少钱呐？连拉不钱哪有嘞？人家新个这垃圾，新个卖多少钱呐？那看不钱哪没呗？特别是那个这老板，然后给米来三给个月说是给8起的，三的冷的，俺结果心思嘛是。哎呀你大概最么大，一起最么大，这给不是呢？哎呀你给图样这没呗？其他新过嘛的，其他新个没嘛的嘞，但地那罗了，俺让个这啦嘛的。蓝色香水后期有吗？没有。上次我都要在这给我留一下细的 ，yes。红色的甜香是哪个牌子？是 Kylie Jenner 的那个Kylie Cosmetic 不对 Kylie 香水搜的有的 ，Mom 的，就是它好像是今年那个新品，它了3选药的是，到你边那吞下上去，如果我没有记错的话。OK 的，大爷他妈，咱们läsna det, läsna det.有啥？打工作什么家能在其实工作取决你不打什么家喂？这些年年白打，我那块儿不假。生意年数嘞，生意啥到啊？老这嘛的呗，当然生意了。大白啥工作我特定啥？啥巴上来 PPT 去，当然生意那讲我那会儿老不这那个这个样的是嘛些的，生意啥到啊吃啥的。 可咋样嘞？你们。拉血过了呗，我的意思，看不过几度啊，么或者看不过线那或者，人家小米的几天第八大两啊，意大利肉不觉的，碰觉的，么，最那张啊最重要宿舍掉嘛，就第一个学期没呗，那对堂不起我对对那宿舍掉嘛嘞，那这样呢，碰觉的哦，意大利碰不起，我最近起来这些全部是哪些代办名，我那个当官的是哇，让突然人就骗那或者可以让整个漏洞可能呢，两场学习加上的没得是那是的，你我的这个比这些弱不差不大。弱不差不的，但是他是那种交换生，他只带一个学期。有嘛？他意大利落差不的，没让给俺的噻，没让我就听过，就是抽这个，就是马德波罗，他是卷烟听多米，你知道吧？啊，你穿上这样。 对着嘛鬼或者可给啥？阿不是天他妈你阿不是天他妈让啥鬼或者可给啥？你想来，就是很浓，就是给谁给哪做几天就是肯定吃不惯。拖过来对吧？现在我没有看过的，等你我再，那个我就是很没有安全感。你用的你得去底子切下吧，你干的呀，你得去切哇。底子切水干没皮，你是我的，被那个柱子当这个。看来爹拖呗，说是拖不几段，没有吧？你现在的身体又现在出不了，爹得拖不几，多年了，我爹拖不呢，多年现在我同给，因为那是对那么多的地那了，那我现在不现在都在挤，你说就是没办，就是感觉很脏，说不出的是呢。你像这种很浓吗？啥有？国外也有卖紫云的，咋没有？哎呀，我是说，就和这个一样，就是那种保护队抽的那种，他也是国内人嘛这钱。但是你如果想买的话，有中国人在卖，就是他那个价格是那种4-5倍的那种。你像这种的很浓很浓。不给诺诺打电话吗？야 지금도 어디 가겨 말이. 니 과화게 니 안는 거래 과화게. 니 과 어디 러고 삼종아. 걔네 록배 그냥 신시 부용도 왔어 러고 삼종아. 근데 사你知道吧看我们家学了吧你安个了俺록배那里啥让他学啥若不属于哪里呢？可以咱们着，你给去了 ？Which friends？ 若不可以了啊？不来。你来吧，你若不属于哪里要的呗？可若不皮那皮控制哪里有不着？你哪呢？你可若不得吃不了，现在可若不吃没啊？可若不可以没好红度。可他把若不是没进那鱼，妈的妈若不是没进那鱼，是没进那鱼生的什么嘞？就是我不知道他，我也不想知道的。他的朋友是跟我有什么关系？你也是成没的我对吧？来看你夸有的可能是若不那鱼的，那现在是的，对嘞。你爱起来若不去的，明天开始啊，肯定的，弄不肯定的，这些什么的也成没了。多嘛这吃没呗？但我谈的若不呢，我不知道是不是那个控制若不的，可能给些若不的那么。哎，开始那皮给那皮给俺谈的学啥的，就是你狂。我不知道。你说能够记下吗？啥？就是也不是不能，但是我就是懒得挣这个辛苦钱了。现在，除非你说，哎，给我1000块，让我买一个给你寄回去，这可以。你拿或者那女可多是你那闺蜜呗，对嘞，要嘛，这不想挣这个钱太累了。俺两个是诺诺吗？是妈的，诺诺是诺诺，俺两个是俺两个的，丁明弄的。他挂了，他把挂去。看是打横数，但你诺诺那夸一个没一个？打一下。那句话没有要。Hello. Hello, how are you?
Why are you laughing?
Sorry, like I don't know. I was just like, I don't know. No, I'm just happy that you answered the call. Like, I was like, yay.
Ah.
Yeah, like, I was like, yes. Because I don't know, like, I thought you're not going to answer.
Oh.
You don't believe me?
No, I do.
Okay. Where are you at?
Why did you think I was not gonna answer?
I don't know. Like, you don't look at your phone. I don't know. You're busy. Like, you're, like, outside. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, what's up? Like, what you doing?
Right now I'm doing my laundry. I'm waiting for my laundry to be done, and then I can grab it, and then I'm gonna chill.
Okay. Like, you were saying, like, your outfit, like, from yesterday, like, you're gonna show me or something. Yeah.
Oh, you want to see?
Yes, please.
All right. Okay, so
Show me.
it wasn't too interesting though. It was pretty simple. It's just a tracksuit, bro.
Yes, let's go. I love it.
That's what it was.
Yes, looks so cool. Bro, you look so fucking tall. Like,
Cause I am.
Aish. Okay.
Wait, I have a picture of me in the elevator, bro. You want to see that?
You have a picture of what?
Of myself in the elevator.
Alright. Show me.
I think that's gonna show you the best.
Alright, please show me.
Here, look at this. Look at
Why you cover your face? No.
my face ugly, man.
It's not. I wanna see your face. Why you record a message? Damn, are you crazy?
Yeah.
Why?
yeah.
Bro. Wait. Okay. Cause I was thinking to like show you something, but like you know, like right now I found something really crazy. Okay, look at this. Check this out. This is what's happened like last week in Budapest, in the club.
All right, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Yeah, what the fuck, man? Wait, what the fuck, man?
Isn't crazy?
Oh, wait, are you recording that or no?
Yeah, that was me. I found.
No, but I mean, yeah, I know stuff like this happens, but
Yeah, cause that's a girl's toilet. So like I found this thing and then I recorded.
yeah, but that's kind of dirty though. I'm not gonna.
It is, and this club like actually is a bar. Okay. For me, like, it's a bar, but like all the European people, like, they're saying this is a club. Okay, doesn't matter. But like, this is the most like cheapest club and the most like dirtiest club in Budapest. So like, I don't know like why they do this thing. Like.
I'm not surprised, but I must say one thing though. Mm-hmm. It's nasty as fuck, bro. They were sitting on a toilet, bro.
It is. Oh wait, look at the guy. He's a fucking kid and he's trying to record this shit. Like.
I don't care, bro. That's what they always do. I don't want to think about stuff like that, Virginia. I really don't want to think about stuff like that, right?
That's so dirty, right?
No, it's not because it's dirty. It's whatever. I just don't want to. I don't want to think about sex. But
Hey, you don't want to think about sex?
no, bro. I'm traumatized.
Hey, what's going on?
I just I'm not healed yet, bro.
Traumatized? Like what? Like what
Don't
kind?
worry. No. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Hey, no, tell me.
No. Don't worry about it.
Bro, I have to know.
No, you don't. It's fine. It's all good. Trust. But yeah, man. Ugh. I don't know, man. Sometimes I just get sad and shit, bro.
Why is that?
Long story.
So what was the story about like you post last night?
Which one?
It was like you don't deserve like when you treat someone good and something like this. Someone nice.
It's not about something. It's just how life is, bro. Like, being nice never gets you something, you know. In life, sadly, you know. So that's at least how it is where I'm from, you know. So
You realize that? Like you realize this like always or just like last night?
no, I already knew this. I just felt like posting it. You know? So, yeah,
Okay.
that's why.
You're just trying to act cool.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
And you'll be like, let me see who's caring about me.
That's not true, bro.
That's true.
I already know who cares about me. No one.
Bro, what?
For real, for real.
Do you think like I don't care about you?
I don't know, man.
Bro, I do care.
Why do you care? That's the question. You know, why?
Why do I care? Because I like you. That's why I care. And even yesterday, like I wanna ask you, like, okay, who are you going with? Where you wanna go? You know, and then
Yeah.
and then I was like, maybe if I ask all of this question, maybe like it's gonna like make him stress, you know, make him like. So I was like, oh, let me just leave it. Say like, oh, enjoy your night, you know.
I don't get stressed though. Don't worry. But it's just like.
Cause you're the one who's saying like, oh, maybe like we should to like slow down and stuff.
I know, but that's fine. That's fine. Don't worry. You don't need to watch out that much. You know, that's not the point.
Okay.
It's all good in the neighborhood. It's good in the neighborhood.
Okay.
Sorry if I'm quiet. I'm focusing right now.
Focus on what?
I'm playing this dumbass game. I don't know if you can hear it in the background.
No, I can't. How long you gonna finish the laundry?
After 5 minutes, and then I can grab my clothes.
Oh, you're gonna okay, you're gonna go back home. Oh, wait, sorry, like you are like the how does it call? Like what does it call? The building, like the public washing machine?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about like after you get home, we're gonna make a video call and you know.
You want a video call?
Yeah, cause I miss you. I wanna see your face.
You miss me? How can you miss me?
Cause it's yesterday we didn't call, right?
I see.
You don't wanna have a call with me?
That's not what I said.
And then why you asking? Bro, it's like, okay, literally, it's like you never ask this thing, and when I ask you, I was like, why, like, why you do this?
You know, I'm sorry, man. I'm just, I don't know. I'm sorry. You know, yeah. I just don't know, bro. Genuinely. Wait, give me 1 second. I'm gonna put on my headphones.
All right.
And then I'm gonna go down now to get my long.
All right.
You can hear me.
That's an airport.
Can you hear me?
Is that airport?
It's my headphones, bro.
Or headphone? Like headphone, the biggest headphone.
Yeah, the big headphone, man.
I can tell because the sound is really bad.
Yeah, I know. Look what I'm wearing.
How am I supposed to see you?
I turned my camera off.
Where? I can see. Hey, that's crazy. I can. Oh yeah, right now I can see. Hey, you're wearing. Hey, what you doing?
I wear it at home.
That's so cute.
No, it's not, bro.
It is.
No, it's not cute, bro. Don't lie.
I'm lying. Is this what you say?
Yeah. I'm not cute, bro. Don't lie.
Bro, I never lie. In this kind of situation, I'm straight as a fuck. I'm a mean as a fuck. You don't know me. That's what I'm saying. Like, you don't know me. Bro, if you looks bad, I'm not gonna say shit. Okay, for not hurting your feeling, I'm not gonna say shit. I'm not gonna say like, oh, you look good, you look bad. Nothing. I'll be just keep quiet. Instead of lying, I just keep quiet. Why would I lie? No. So what about like are you going downstairs right now?
Yeah, but I'm taking a piss right now. taking a piss right now.
Okay.
Bro, I want to buy a car from Japan. Japan has such cheap cars, bro. Oh my god.
Have you ever been there before?
Yeah, I've been to Japan.
Nice. When was it?
When was it?
Yeah.
2022. I got my friends from there, bro.
All right, bro. That's nice, bro.
I got friends from Okinawa and from Tokyo and from some other places as well. So yeah, that's what it is, man.
Okay.
Okay. No, I'm sorry. I wasn't supposed to be mean to you. You're right.
Okay. I'm gonna call you in bit. Like,
Why? Why?
what do you mean by why?
Like, what are you gonna do?
Why you always have a lot of questions? Like, why? Even like when I say I miss you, you'll be like, why?
Yeah, because I don't understand you, you know?
That's what I'm trying to do. We call and we talk more, and you're gonna understand me. Like,
Yeah, but that's what we're doing now. But then you say like, oh, I'm gonna call you back, so you're gonna go. So like, then I'm asking like, why?
so you don't wanna cut the call?
Yeah, why? Why would you? Why would you wanna cut the call?
Because I wanna go to pee.
You wanna go to? I literally peed and I didn't hang up, bro.
Literally, like, I don't understand you for real. Like, bro, that's crazy.
Well, you don't understand. What do you mean you don't understand me? Huh?
Okay, let me go, and I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay, bye bye.
All right, bye.他就是为什么要这么复杂呢？就是为什么要这么复杂？大概这个不能拿，免得有人又要录屏，妈的！就真的很奇怪，为什么要这么复杂呢？就是我说我想他，他说为什么要想他？我说我很在意你，他说为什么要在意我？他说哎，这个就是我不理解，你为什么要这么在意我？然后我跟他说，对，上面有一个人刚刚说的很对，刚刚说就说，睡个好觉，说，姐姐对他说，对他昨天晚上说他要出去玩，然后我就说啊，have fun，我没跟他说，你要跟谁去，你要去哪儿，你要怎么样，我没有跟他说，因为我不想让他觉得，就是你知道吗？就是那种，我就没有说哦 nice，就是好好玩，然后我在外面，他就说哦 nice，然后就完了，然后我就跟他说。他发了个 story， 他 story 上写的是什么？他说，就是你对一个人好，就是你变成一个好人，得不到任何结果。他发了一个 story， 就是一个日常，就这样发了。然后我就说，就是来用这啥的一机器斯拉比念，就回复了那个日常。然后他说，yes 是的。完之后我今天就是在问他，就说，你昨天是发生了什么吗？就是你发了一个这样的日常。然后他说什么？他说。他说没有啊，这个就是我平时就这样觉得的噻。然后我说那还是说你想看有谁会给你回复，有谁在意你，然后你想测试一下，就是你知道吗？就是有些人没有安全感的时候，就是有点缺爱啊，就是不是会这样子嘛？就说发了一个很悲伤的一个东西，然后看谁在就是关心他，就是那种嘛。然后我就跟他说是不是有人在这样，然后他说。不是这样子。然后他说就是也没有人在意我。然后我说没有啊，我在意你啊。他说为什么？我说没有为什么，因为我喜欢你。他说为什么喜欢我？你为什么在意我？为什么喜欢我？就是我也就是但我说在意你，那你就把这个接住就好了呀。他说谢谢，我也很在意。我不知道他在干嘛，但我有点真的不想跟他说话了。我准备把直播挂掉，然后我就跟他好好聊一下。没来。对啊，然后我说我要挂电话了，我说我要去尿尿，我说我尿回来给你打视频吧，因为我想把这个直播挂掉，然后跟他打视频。然后他说为什么要挂？我说我要去尿尿。然后他说我刚刚尿尿了，我也没有挂电话呀。他说你为什么要尿？你为什么要挂？然后这样又感觉他很想跟我聊天。但我真的不知道他在干嘛，他想跟我聊，他从来不给我打电话呀，你知道吗？但你们知道不知道？他如果想给我打电话，他应该给我打电话。但每次他这么多天，他有一次给我打过电话，然后就没有了。就是我在直播上，我们俩也没聊天，然后他就这样一个电话打过来了，就只有一次。然后每次都是我给他打。 然后我现在就是有点累了，对啊，就是很复杂呀，就有点累。所以我准备今天就把这个事情说清楚，我不想再这样跟他就耗了，就是你知道吗？就这种，就是我很想他，我也想跟他说话，但是一说吧，就是哎，你又要问这个又要问那个，就你不能就是好好的跟就是轻松的愉快的聊天吗？但是又不想，然后他自己又说他是一个很复杂的人，然后他不是很负面啊，他就是每个好的事情他都能把那个负面的东西拿出来说一下，有可能他心里不是那么的负面。你知道吗？就说哎，我要哭啊，我要崩溃了，不是那种，但他总是能看到那个东西的负面的东西，然后他就要跟我说一下，给我提一嘴。他说啊 ，life is fucked up， 哎，这个不行，那个不行，哎，我的这个怎么了，那个怎么了，我又怎么了呢？然后我每次这个对我来说没问题，因为我可以很好的帮他，不是解围啊，但是就是哎，就是不要这么那个啊，就是哎放轻松啊什么的，我可以说，但是你知道吗？就是也不说多了吧，但是我觉得对我是没问题的，但是哎，是我不知道怎么说。OK， 好，我不抽烟了，我真的不抽烟，我要把这个藏起来。不要内耗，说开就好。可以更好，不行就算了，这下吧，就这样子吧。对，这个事情内耗不了一点，就算没成和成与败都是在一念之间。散呀，完了啊！各位，我要挂了，我真的要去尿尿了。我要去尿尿，然后我要跟他打个视频。好嘞，他有点消极啊，不要被带入。这个就是我在说的，就是我不会被带入，你知道吗？但是我感觉，哎，我真的不知道怎么说，就是有点奇怪。就是我不会因为他消极，然后我变得消极，我肯定不会这样子啊。但是在那个我们俩打电话的时间段，我会想很多。但一挂我就说，哎 ，I don't care，I don't give a fuck， 然后就要说就说，不说就下了吧，就这种。然后我刚刚有一念之间，我又是哪种想法？你记得吗？你知道吗？就是又是那种我在想，他是不是很缺爱？然后他如果很缺爱、很没有安全感那种话，哎，我是不是能给他很多爱？不，哎，就很想打自己一巴掌，就是因为他这种性格，我自己变得也很拧巴那种，你知道吗？就是那种，你知道吗？不知道是。要不要遮个油啊？我在想我要不要遮个油。哦，要遮。哎，我在想，刚刚涂了遮瑕嘛的，刚刚涂了那个吧，涂了那个叫什么？其实姐，你的感觉你一些行为感觉有一点喜欢他，又啥？我就是喜欢他，而且不是感觉有一点，我就是很喜欢他。就是我喜欢他，哎，就是那种，就是这个要怎么讲呢？就还是很复杂。为什么？就是因为他这个人，所以变得很复杂了。就是我本来是那种就是敢爱敢恨，就是哎喜欢就喜欢，不喜欢就不喜欢，是那种就是我那种很直接的人。但是就是因为他这个人的性格，就是感觉整个事情就变得很复杂了，你知道吗？那姐打直球噻。我打了，那我刚刚都不表白吗？我就直接说啊，因为我想你了呀。我说因为我想你了，因为我很在乎你啊，我都这样说了。然后他说为什么？那我要怎么说？我在看啊，如果我说就是我的妆快脱了，快卡粉的话，这个能不能救起来？我要看一下。这个油渍压的话，这个绝对会压得很好，我知道这个。但是因为我这边有点妆快脱了的那种感觉，我感觉还是有一点点用。可以吧？还有像什么没有？他是逃避性格，我也觉得有点。 Yes， 这个我也觉得有一点点。对，然后他每次要说一个事情，然后他说，哎，算了吧。你知道吗？我刚给他发那个，这边有一个酒吧，然后就那个酒吧就是有点那种，怎么讲，就是有点乱，哎，不是有一点乱，就是很乱。然后他就是因为不用门票，所以就是什么阿猫阿狗，什么除了阿猫阿狗以外，其他很多这种。就差不多就是比流浪汉稍微高一点的那种人，他们都会来那个酒吧，因为很免费进场是免费，不用门票的那种酒吧。然后那个里面有一个，我不是之前跟大家说不是有个瓜吗？就是一个男的和女的在那个厕所里面坐，然后就是有一个人偷拍，然后拍的很好，就就什么都拍到了，就是那种不是说哎有个人的影子，有2个人的影子在那边站，不是那种啊，就是什么细节都拍到了。然后我就把这个当成一个瓜就给他发了，然后他说啊 I'm not surprised， 这个不是很正常吗？拜拜。完之后他说完之后。说啊，他说他对这个就是男女之间的那个那个事情，他说他有点忌讳。然后我说怎么了？他说他不想看，他说不想想。那我说怎么了？然后我说发生什么事情吗？他说不算了吧，不说了。他说哎，但你跟我说。他说啊算了吧，不说了，不重要。我说对我来说重要，你跟我说吧。然后他说哎算了不说，就是那种你懂吗？那你不想说，你早就不要说嘛，就刚开始不要说嘛，不是吗？你又要说有事，然后你又不跟我说清楚，那你就别提这个事情了。问你知道怎么讲？有没有喜欢你？直接问他。对，我要问他，我准备打个电话，直接问他。没有的话就算了吧，真的我有点烦。我要去尿尿了。蹲后续明天吧，明天蹲后续吧，明天蹲我们两个怎么聊的？怎么样？我要去尿尿了，拜拜！我要下了，我要下尿，然后我就再跟他打电话。拜拜。都是拜拜，早点睡。对，我要跟他打电话，然后我要把那个我的床单被头拿出来，然后晾一下，然后我把床单被头换一下，然后我要躺下去，然后我要洗个脸，然后我要躺下去，然后我还要吃饭，对，我还要吃个晚饭，然后我就睡觉了。拜拜，明天见，拜拜。呀，我问他，就有点烦，拜拜。